There is no way I copped. This is nuts. Right. Time has finally come. The Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Olives are releasing tomorrow. And I'm very, very nervous. So it's currently the day before the drop. So we've seen raffles pop up, Footpatrol and SNS, and a couple other retailers. So we spent the majority of the day entering raffle botting into them raffles. However, the big drop is tomorrow. Nike sneakers app, 8 AM is the big drop. Now I've spent a load of time in the last month trying to perfect my Nike setup. And it's not perfect at the moment. However, it's a lot better than it was. So I'm hoping I can snag a pair or multiple. So I'm going to be recording an actual live cop running for the drop, showing you what I do and everything about it. We did have early access today before on the sneakers app, and I didn't get any luck and I didn't cop any pairs. However, some KaiKicks apprentice members got the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Olives early. We saw it released, we notified members, and multiple members got early access and copped it one day before, so they're sorted. So for my whole setup, I run 3 different companies and we're going to talk about them throughout the video. This is my group KaiKicks Apprentice, where I get all my information from, such as the stock numbers and so on. Liquid Tools, we will get into that a lot more, but I would not physically be able to run what I'm doing without Liquid Tools. Both of them, there will be free trials in the description for them as well as I talk about them. And lastly, Porter Proxy is the proxy provider I use. Now I'm not going to talk about them now because you want to see what happens and how many I cop and so on, and I'll explain during the video why they're so important to me and why I would not be able to hit pairs or run my setup or anything if I did not have these products. But it is the evening, I've got to be up at 6 AM to start getting ready for the sneakers drop. I'm going to have to get an early night. So I will see you in the morning. And I haven't been this nervous for a drop in ages, bruv. Good morning, everyone. This is currently 7 AM. Didn't record me getting up and stuff. I usually get up around 6 for these drops, mainly because I'm absolutely shattered and I really don't want to be recording right now. But this is where the day starts, and we'll get on the computer now to show you what we do. So as I said yesterday, we use 3 companies, and this is why I use my group, KaiKicks Apprentice. So of course, not only you get access to all the information about the upcoming releases. So as you can see here, the retail, the resale, where it's going to be releasing, and then you've got all of the raffles that have released for this drop, everything, all the support you need, botting and all that, all within the server. But also a very, very handy guide is the Nike stock numbers. So as we can see here at 7 AM, the Nike stock numbers have been posted for the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Olives. Now it's looking at 10,000 stock, which isn't too bad considering 10,000 of this was put to EA as well. So total was 20,000, so 50% EA as well is quite a lot. So it's a 10k left, is not too bad. But I can see now what sizes are actually have the most stock. So I'm going to personally run sizes 4 up to 6.5 because they have got the best sizes. So stock numbers are sorted. So now I'm going to use that information to create them sizes for my task. Just by doing that, I might 10xing my chances just from picking the correct size. And of course, all the release information, botting how, everything you need literally within the server. Obviously, we have a lot of people how to start botting and do what I'm doing right now. So now I'm going to set up all of my tasks, and I'm actually going to hop onto Liquid. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Right, so we're heading on to Liquid Tools on my laptop now, just because I like it on a different screen. Right, so this is Liquid Tools. Essentially, it's a raffle tool, all-in-one raffle tool that kind of helps me with everything I do. So when you open up, you get greeted with this tool, and most importantly, we have Nike tools. So these Nike tools include Nike generation, includes verifying, delivery ad, payment filler, everything. I'm going to be using a feature that I can't really talk too much about. This is during the drop, which allows me to enter multiple times. When you're running on high scale, if you've ever entered a Nike draw or you've ever entered multiple accounts into a Nike draw, you will know there's one thing stopping you from doing this. But when you run Liquid Tools, it can accept everything for you and allows me to enter hundreds of accounts with no problems. So that's why we're going to be using Liquid Tools during the drop. It's now 20 past 7. We're going to start running our tasks now, and I will now see you at drop time 8 AM. I am nervous. Hopefully we can bag ourselves 1 pair. Let's have a look if Nike shits itself. Yeah, it looks like Nike servers are really suffering at the moment. Big time. I'm getting some in now. I'm getting 3DS for some. I should start going in now, it's looking like. Looks like they're slowly getting in Usnkrs. Entries are getting a lot smoother now. Oh, Usnkrs saying restart tasks. Oh my god, stop all tasks. So what the fuck do I do, man? Oh, this is fucking stressful, bruv. I'm getting entries in, but bruv, there's a lot of There's no way you're getting all your entries in here, Shiv, isn't it? 2 servers are sorted. 3 to go. Yeah, I'm looking good now, thank the Lord. Oh God, I'm nervous as fuck. Right, I think I'm all in. Thank fuck. Good timing. Oh, I'm nervous. All right, the draw is over. Someone from slots just said they're cop phone. Let's fucking go. 1 for slots, let's go. It's taking a while to fucking draw these. Oh fuck it, I won on Footpatrol, Shiv. Yeah, literally just pinged through. What size? Oh, it's a shit size 5. Wow. So far, we're on 2 pairs copped, which I'm not complaining about. However, I know there's some more coming. Nike was a lot harder than expected. The ratio seemed to be like 1 every 200 and something accounts, and we managed to cop 1, so I'm very happy with that. Liquid helped me a lot with dissolves. Usnkrs did well, and then I hit 1 pair Footpatrol. That was with Novum, and I'm hoping I can hit a couple more with another bot that I've been trying out recently, but the results are still yet to come in. So I wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in a couple hours. It's good news, boys. The other bot I've been trying recently is a bot called RE AIO. Now, you may have heard of this bot, you may have not heard of this bot before, but it absolutely killed this release. So their main focus is actually Nike and sneakers. That's their main solid modules. However, they do have a couple other modules as well. And we managed to cop another 3 pairs of Travis Scott olives with RE AIO. So we got 1 with Usnkrs, 1 with Novum, and 3 with RE AIO. Which goes to show if you use each sneaker bot correctly, it can hit a lot of different sites. But wow, I am absolutely buzzing. Let's hop on the computer and show you the next steps. Right, after all drops, I will hop back onto Liquid to track all of my orders for me. It makes my life so much easier. So it's as simple as that. Get the webhook from Usnkrs, your email, your order number, put that into a CSV. Simply as that, literally save it, hop onto Liquid, run the order tracker, and this is an offline order tracker, meaning once I've ran it once, I do not need to run it ever again. It will automatically update me with all the delivery updates. So tomorrow when I wake up, it'll tell me when it's been shipped, it'll tell me if there's any problems, what address it's going to, everything all within there. Just makes my life easy. And even better, here's a full module list of Liquid. It has loads of other Nike tools, features, everything you need as a raffle botter. So overall, I'm very happy. The proxies worked really well during the drop, so shout out to Portal Proxies for that. I also got 2 for members. I actually got 2 pairs for them, and another staff member got another 2 pairs for another 2 members within the group. So we're even copying pairs for our members. And Liquid Tools, as always, performing as great as I needed during the drop, and good tools after the drop, so I can track my orders with no problem, make more Nike accounts, order some Sims, everything is all just in there. So every single product I used in this video, I'm not saying all of this is sponsored at all, but I will leave their shout outs down below. To be clear, I am sponsored by Portal Proxies. My group is obviously my group, so free trial if you want to join my group. And Liquid Tools is actually a tool I'm part owner of. We made it because I wanted tools to personally use, so now we're offering out to other members if you'd like to join as well. And we'll also drop a free trial for that in the description. Usnkrs, RE AIO, and Novum I am not affiliated with, but I still use their bots, obviously. I mean, they've helped me cop today. So I will leave their descriptions down below. KaiKicks Apprentice members also feasted out on this release. We saw a loads of success within the group, all because of our information and help that we do provide them with. Please do let me know what you think of this style of video. Do you want to see more live cops on the channel? If you do, smash the like button and comment if you copped down below. Subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. It's been a great drop. I can't wait to get these in hand, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.